Managing a high-traffic restroom area means dealing with a large, very large, enormous crowd. In this continuous flow of activity, every second counts, and every small resource is important. That's why HIGHFAST was created, the innovative high-capacity dispenser from Papernet that reduces loading times and optimizes resources. If a standard dispenser has a capacity of around 600 folded hand towels, HIGHFAST capacity is 3.5 times greater. This innovative dispenser can hold up to 2,100 hand towels, divided into 2 dispensing columns with quick access, thanks to a practical slider. With its compact design, antibacterial plastic for improved hygiene, and designed with Defentech technology, HIGHFAST facilitates daily cleaning tasks in restroom areas of shopping centers, service stations, and airports. More capacity and hygiene to guarantee significant time savings. HIGHFAST by Papernet is the ability to innovate